A very good morning to one and all present here. Here's a hearty welcome to you all on behalf of Primary Wing of St. Teresa School. I, Samriddhi Agrawal, extend my sincere gratitude to our Honorable and Visionary Directors, Shri Raman Raja Khanna Sir and Shri Vijay Kumar Gulati Sir, our optimistic principal, Ms. Vibha Khanna Ma'am, our compassionate, calm and gentle academic director, Ms. Renu Srivastav Ma'am, our loving and efficient headmistress, Ms. Shivani Tripathi Ma'am, and our creative and resourceful coordinators for being present here. I convey my special thanks to all our esteemed parents for joining us today. I also welcome all my loving and hardworking teachers and my dear friends for joining us. Festivals are always a welcome change in our monotonous routines. Our life is filled with great energy and enthusiasm during festivals. Today is a special day as we all are present here to celebrate the Festival of Lights, commonly known as Diwali. It reminds us of the festive season of joy, splendor, and happiness. Diwali, the Festival of Lights, is a synonym of removing darkness by welcoming light. It symbolizes the joy, peace, and prosperity in the hearts of people, chasing away their worries and sorrows. It is celebrated in the month of Kartik. It signifies the victory of good over evil to commemorate the arrival of Lord Rama to his home Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Now, I welcome my friend Rishima to tell us more about Diwali.
धन्यवाद समृद्धि। सुप्रभात। मैं ऋषिमा टंडन कक्षा 5वीं ब वर्ग की छात्रा आप सभी का सादर अभिनंदन करती हूँ। आप सभी को दीपावली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं इस श्लोक के माध्यम से देना चाहती हूँ। शुभं करोति कल्याणं आरोग्य धन संपदा शत्रु वृद्धि विनाशाय दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुभ्यं। जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं, भारत पर्वों का देश कहलाता है। यहाँ की संस्कृति और रीति रिवाज दुनिया में एक विशिष्ट पहचान बनाए हुए हैं। आज हम सब भी आपके साथ हमारे देश के प्रमुख पर्व दीपावली मनाने जा रहे हैं। इस पर्व से जुड़ी कुछ महत्वपूर्ण जानकारियों को मैं आपके साथ अवश्य साझा करूंगी कि दीपावली कब और क्यों मनाई जाती है। दीपावली का अर्थ है दीपों का पर्व अर्थात दीपों का त्योहार। यह पर्व कार्तिक मास की अमावस्या को मनाया जाता है। हमारे हिंदू पुराणों के अनुसार इस दिन प्रभु श्री राम लंका पर विजय प्राप्त कर मां सीता व लक्ष्मण जी के साथ 14 वर्ष का वनवास पूरा करके अयोध्या वापस लौटे थे। उस समय अयोध्या नगरी में जो रंग बिखरा था उसे मैं इस चौपाई के माध्यम से बताना चाहूंगी। कंचन कलश विचित्र सवारे सब ही धरे सजी निज निज द्वारे बंधन वार पताका के तो सब ही बनाए मंगल हेतु। अमावस्या की रात में दीपों के जगमगाहट से चारों ओर प्रकाश फैल रहा था। लोगों की खुशी का ठिकाना ही नहीं था और यही रीति आज तक चली आ रही है। हम सभी इस कार्तिक मास की अमावस्या को अपने घर का हर कोना रोशनी से जगमगा देंगे। जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं, भारत एक ऐसा देश है जहां विभिन्नता में एकता का संदेश मिलता है। तो आइए हमारी इस पीपीटी के माध्यम से जानते हैं कि भारत ने यह पर्व अलग अलग राज्यों में किस प्रकार से और विभिन्न ढंग से मनाया जाता है।
The word Diwali is derived from the Sanskrit word Deepavali, which means row of lamps. It is a festival that symbolizes the victory of good over evil light over darkness, and knowledge over ignorance. As per Hindu calendar, Diwali is celebrated on Kartik Amavasya, the 15th day of the month of Kartik every year. According to popular beliefs, on this day, Lord Rama returned to his home, Ayodhya, along with his wife Sita and brother Lakshman after 14 years of exile. It was a no moon day, and the people of Ayodhya lit diyas across the kingdom to welcome him. From that time, people celebrate this day by lighting lamps and diyas. This festival celebrates the death of demon Narakasura, who was killed by Satyabhama along with Krishna. Diwali celebration in India goes on for 5 days. It starts with Dhanteras. The second day is called Naraka Chaturdashi or Choti Diwali. Main Diwali is celebrated on the third day. The fourth day is celebrated as Govardhan Puja. The fifth day is celebrated as Bhai Dooj. Let us move ahead now and see how people of different regions of India celebrate Diwali. In northern India, on this occasion, people decorate their homes with rangolis, bandhanvas, and lamps. People exchange gifts and sweets. In the evening of Diwali, they worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha. It is believed that worshipping Goddess Lakshmi on this day brings prosperity. In South India, people observe Diwali as Naraka Chaturdashi, a day when Narakasur was killed by Lord Krishna and Satyabhama, and the people held captive by the demon were freed. People take oil bath before sunrise and go to temple. They celebrate the victory of good over evil by wearing new clothes, offering food to the deity, and bursting of crackers during the daytime. The marketplaces in the western state of Gujarat are lit up at least 15 days before Diwali. Dhanteras is celebrated on a grand scale here. Buying of properties is considered auspicious during this time. Diwali is celebrated here as the beginning of New Year. Diwali celebration lasts for 4 days in Maharashtra. People take oil bath on that day and go to temple to pray. They prepare faral, which is a collection of various snacks, and offer it to the friends and neighbors who visit them. The people of eastern part of India, especially Bengal, Assam and Odisha, celebrate Kali Puja, symbolizing the victory of goddess Kali over Vakrasur. In Odisha and some parts of Bengal, people remember their ancestors by lighting lamps on long poles and believe that the lamps will show their ancestors the way to heaven. Jains mark this day as the day on which Lord Mahavira attained Nirvana. Jain temples, homes, offices are decorated with lights and diyas, symbolizing the lighting of knowledge and removal of ignorance. Sikhs mark this day as Bandi Chhod Divas. On this day, Sikh Guru Har Gobind Ji was released from his captivity. On this occasion, Sikhs light their homes and gurudwaras. They take out processions and organize langars. Diwali is celebrated not only in India but all over the world. In Singapore, people celebrate Diwali with great enthusiasm. It is observed as a national holiday. The streets are lit up with lights. People of other countries like Nepal, Trinidad and Tobago, Indonesia, UK, Canada, Australia and USA celebrate Diwali with great enthusiasm and zeal. On behalf of St. Teresa School, we wish you all a radiant and a very happy Diwali.
That was indeed an informative PowerPoint presentation by a worthy teacher. As music adds flavors to any celebration, without any further delay, let's welcome our young singers to present an enthusiastic Diwali song.
Dacche
What a melodious performance it was. It really touched our hearts deeply. To express this decorative festival, now let's welcome our adorable girls from class 3rd, 4th and 5th for a lively dance performance.
अरे वाह, अति सुंदर नृत्य की प्रस्तुति दी गई हमारे मित्रों द्वारा। आशा करती हूँ हमारे विद्यालय के इस कार्यक्रम ने आप सबका मन अवश्य मोह लिया होगा। कार्यक्रम के अंत में मैं आपसे विदा लेती हूँ इस श्लोक के साथ। दीप ज्योति पर ब्रह्मा, दीप ज्योति जनार्दना, दीपो हर्तु मे पापम, दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते। आप सभी का दिन मंगलमय हो और आप सभी को एक बार पुनः हमारे विद्यालय की ओर से दीपावली की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। अरे हाँ, जाते जाते आप सबसे एक निवेदन अवश्य करूंगी कि अगर आपको हमारा यह कार्यक्रम पसंद आया हो तो आप इसको लाइक और शेयर अवश्य करें और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब भी करें। धन्यवाद।